if they wanted to use agents for some sort of like a sales, marketing, or customer support use case, well, the CRM, the customer relationship management software that they use, which is where all the sales reps put all their details, the customer success managers, the support reps, everything that happens regarding an account or a client, everyone logs everything in there. That's why it's nice and organized. It's like a filing cabinet for every interaction with that customer. So much of what they would want to actually get done from an agentic standpoint would be doing the things that humans would do, the things that sales reps would do, the marketing campaigns that marketing would run. The way that we would handle a support ticket might be different if we know something about them that they had a bad experience last week. So if a human would look that up and then support them differently because they know this person's kind of on edge right now, the agent should do that. The sales rep should know the context of the different cross sells that we are working right now, and that this person kind of off the record said something not so great about this decision maker, and we took a note about that in the CR and make sure that we don't hype up this person that we know that they kind of have a problem with. This is the kind of stuff that humans have always done. We enter data into the systems, we read the data from the systems, and then we try to do intelligent work with it to better our companies, get to our goals, reach our KPIs. Well, if that company wanted to do any of the three use cases I mentioned, now the agent company that they're partnering with has to figure out how to integrate with the CRM that that company built for themselves, because that's where all that data lives. So now their engineering team that has nothing to do with this project, maybe the support team brought on the project, or the sales team brought on the project, or the marketing team. They're like, hey, engineering team, I know you're busy working on core IP for our company, but this vendor that we bought this software from needs to access all of this data. And they're like, we built this CRM for ourselves. Yeah, but just hook it up, right? Like, you know how things work? And they're like, we would need an API for that. Okay, well, what's the API? Well, we don't have one. Now we have to stop everything we're doing to build one. They build one. They get like an MVP. They kind of shove it out the door. Minimum viable product, MVP, for those who don't know. Like just basically the cheapest and quickest and easiest way to get this off their plate so they can get back to what they're supposed to do as an engineering team and give it to the marketing team or support team. Marketing or support team, not that technical, brings it back to the vendor. And they're like, hey, vendor, look, API is here. I don't know what this means, but they gave me this thing. It's a token and here's a link. And they said you'd know what to do with it. Vendors like, okay, let me give it a shot. And for some reason it breaks or it doesn't work. Or you can ping the API, but you can only ping it once every 30 minutes. And they wanted our assistants to handle up to, let's say, 10,000 customer support interactions every minute. Now we got to go back. But I'm just talking about one part of the platform. Think about all of us as human beings. As human beings, we don't just access one platform at work, we access a bunch.